Hi, Anton Marketer here, and this is episode I want to share with you NanoBanana and what I'm using for my creative for my YouTube channel and other thing. I used NanoBanana on the previous version and it's so-so, it's not great, but now it's changed and I like it so much. Here is my NanoBanana I'm using on the remote server, and what I'm using here. For the first time, it's only super simple. I upload my PNG file, and this is not so great. It's like simple prompt, and this is the result. Not okay. I edit it. Okay, it's not great. Edit it. It's not great. Edit it, and yeah. But next, I change my routine and my process and go working with the two system. First one, I'm going to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write prompt to NanoBanana, and here is a prompt for write thumbnail from my custom instruction and a lot of information here. And next, ChatGPT write a more adopted and more interesting prompt. And I like this process. First one, you generate prompt for NanoBanana in the ChatGPT or other LLM, for example, Gemini, for example. And the next one, you're going to NanoBanana and generated content. And I like it so much. It's interesting, more with the colors, with all the thing. Here, as you can see, I see on the left side. Yep, and here is its change, and I see to the purple. It's okay. It's not. I can see a little bit AI, but it's. Yeah, here is. I think it's a more interesting thing. Yeah, you can see here is a problem because it's square, not horizontal. Yeah, I check it and you see you can see a little bit problem with eyes too, but the more thing it's a great. And now I choose and prefer this simple way, going to the LLM like ChatGPT, writing the prompt for all the things you can see in the previous time too. Yeah, and great thing. And next, my content. One more cheat. Here is give for LLM example what you want to do. Here is example, and here is the copy. Yeah, not one-to-one, but mostly it's so great. If I'm working with a freelancer, it costs around, I think, $20, I think, yeah, me off it. And you need maybe 2 days for prepare it for development. And here is super simple and super fast. You need only, I don't know, it's 3 minutes, and it's a lot. Here is example, and next it's write the prompt is your thing. I think it's a good options to find the other video, and next it's make like these things. I think it's all super simple, super great, and now I check the conversion rate on the YouTube and working here. I'm using remote server. I'm using a student's license. It's a zero cost for using NanoBanana and all the thing, and I highly recommend for all people try this thing, and I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching. Anton Marketer here, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.